Hello everyone, I'm Itaru Kitahara from University of Tsukuba and Think Vision Incorporation. In this talk, I'm going to introduce interactive ebook linking text and multi-view video. First of all, I would like to introduce our interactive ebook that links multi-viewpoint images and text. By utilizing bright time video, it is possible to enhance the visual information of the contents. The user can choose the observation viewpoint as they like. As a result, it is possible to read the contents smoothly and quickly. In the conventional paper media, text and images or figures are used mainly. On the other hand, in the electronic book, we can use dynamic presentation, such as video display, music sound, interaction to the multimedia. So it is good for catalogs and illustrated or photo books. When we observe a planar object like calligraphy and painting, observation from a single viewpoint is sufficient. However, when we observe a 3D object like statue and artifact in detail, observation from various viewpoints are needed. To generate view from various perspectives, it is common to use 3D CG model. However, it becomes more difficult to apply complex and photorealistic expression. Bright time video is another way to give 3D sensation by using motion parallax. It is just switching multi-view images sequentially, so that it is possible to realize high realistic presentation. This is the overview of our interactive ebook. As the interactive operation, image and explanation interact with each other. As the interaction from text to multi-view image, when a sentence is chosen by the user, our ebook moves the viewpoint to where the description is easily understood. As the interaction from multi-view image to text, when the user sets an observing viewpoint, our ebook highlights the corresponding description. There are two paths to realize our ebook. One is multi-view display, and the other is ebook interface. In multi-view display, the system captures multi-view images, as shown in the bottom of this slide, and generates bright time video displayed in the interface. In ebook interface, the user inputs the request of observing viewpoint and interested sentence using touch interface. Then the system responds to the request by operating the images or text. When generating bright time video, I would like to note one thing. As you see at the left bottom video, it is necessary to compensate for differences in appearance of original images caused by variation in the positional relationship between the camera and the subject. So our system estimates the camera parameters using structure from motion, SFM, and correct the appearance based on the estimated parameters. As a result, smooth viewpoint movement is realized and the gazing point is fixed at the center of the screen. This is a touch interface for controlling viewpoint. For viewpoint switching, the user strokes the screen using touch interface. For zooming out, the user does pinch in out gesture with using 2 fingers. For automatic viewpoint switching, or to repeat play, user just press play button. This is the browsing interface linking multi-view images and text. As interaction from text to multi-view images, the user clicks on a particular keyword of interest while reading a description. For example, keyword A. So the multi-view is switched to a viewpoint, VPA, that helps the user understand the keyword. As interaction from multi-view images to text, when the user switches perspectives to change the visual information, the interface emphasizes the sentence corresponding to the observation by highlighting the text. I would like to introduce the experiment of museum. We conducted a shooting experiment at Heiseikan of the Tokyo National Museum by using a digital single lens reflex camera, Canon EOS 5D Mark II. That is installed a wide angle lens. The focal length is 14 millimeter. Captured image resolution is 5,616 pixels by 3,744 pixels. We use information about the exhibit, such as location, region, and exterior features in the captures as a text source. There are examples of our ebook at the museum by applying this image to our system. We can enjoy it over time, and when we click a keyword, the system changes the viewpoint to observe the keyword. And in this example, the system highlights the text to observe the view from this viewpoint. We conduct an experimental evaluation to confirm the effectiveness of our ebook. As an objective evaluation, we investigate whether our proposed ebook can improve the level of understanding by giving simple quiz Q1 and Q2. As a result on controlling multi-view display by the text manipulation, all participants who read our ebook and the general book answered correctly. As a result on controlling text display by multi-view manipulation, all the participants answered correctly in Q1, and 11 participants who read our ebook and 10 participants read a general book answered Q2 correctly. It means almost all of the participants answered correctly. As a result, unfortunately, it is difficult to confirm the improvement of understanding since the sentences used in the experiment were short and the number of questions was small. Due to the limited number of characters displayed on the screen. So majority of participants answered correctly. So we think it is necessary to increase the difficulty of the questionnaire in the future. As a subject evaluation, we asked the participant 5 questions, Q3 to Q7. As Q3, we ask, is it possible to get 3D shape information of the subject through observing the multi-view images? Q4, are you satisfied with the smoothness of the viewpoint switching? Q5, is it possible to observe subject with fully understanding the function that text and multiple viewpoints work together? Q6, does the function of linking text and multi-view improve the efficiency of reading a book? Q7, does the function of linking text and multi-view facilitate your understanding of the content? This figure shows the result on effects of controlling multi-view display by text manipulation. It means interaction from text to multi-view. Basically, we have got positive responses since there is not so many orange and navy blue color. From Q3 to Q5, all participants evaluated positively the 3D display interface. In Q6, there are some opinions about the improvement of reading, such as looking at the content and the images interchangeably interrupted the reading of the text, and the efficiency of reading the text was reduced in terms of speed, but increased in terms of reading with comprehension. We consider that the opinion comes from different reading habits of each participant, so that it is necessary to customize our system individually. In Q7, with regard to the promotion of understanding the content, one of the participants responded that many people are more interested in the photographs because the text and the multi-view image works together. And many of them want to look at the pictures even if they were not explained. This figure shows the result on effect of controlling text display by multi-view manipulation. It means from multi-view to text. Basically, we have got positive responses since there is not any orange and navy blue. About Q3, Q5, and Q7, all participants gave positive evaluations. In Q6, with regard to the improvement of the viewing efficiency, one participant said that the highlight text linked to the image is wrong. It seemed to improve the learning efficiency if the text is highlighted word by word. I'm concluding my talk. In this talk, I introduce an interactive ebook linking multi-view images and text to enhance the visual function of books, and introduce two types of interface to realize the link. We confirm the effectiveness through the experimental evaluations. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please let me know by sending the email to this address.